Spring is here and it's time to bring out our bicycles and other fun summertime toys. And today's product, this bicycle tire pump and headlight, is going to help us get ready for that. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I've already used the USB-C cable to charge this up so that it's got a full battery. And we're going to check the air in the tires. Then we're going to mount this on the handlebars so that we have a headlight. All right, so I've attached the tire filling nozzle to the end here. And now I'm going to set the PSIs to the recommended PSI of my tire. And then we're going to hook it to the tire nozzle and turn it on. So it shows the current PSI, which is 11, so it's a little low. We're going to turn it on. And then as soon as it hit 20, it shut off. So that way it's not going to overfill it. It's just going to fill it right where I want it and then stop. Now that I've filled both tires, I'm going to take all of these adapters that came with it and the cable, and I'm going to put it in the bag that was provided. And then this piece mounts directly on my handlebar with just like a belt clip here. And then the pump slides on and locks into place. So it's got a headlight on the front so that when I'm riding at night, I can see where I'm going and other people can see me. So if you're looking for either a bike pump or a headlight for your bike, this works great for both. I definitely recommend it.